If you wanted to get animated always on a display on a Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we're gonna go to themes, and once you open Galaxy themes, and then at the bottom we can switch to AODs. Now of course in here we can find a bunch of different content, and if the AOD is animated we can see this label in the bottom right corner. Unfortunately many of these themes are paid, but we can tap on top, for example, and we can switch from all to free on the left side over here. And now we should be able to find only the free content. So let's say I want to apply this AOD over here, so I can tap on a download, and then we can apply. Of course, we want to choose, well, you can actually decide if you want to choose clock and image or just the image. I'm gonna use both. And now let's see if it's going to work. There we go, we have animated AOD. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.